2, 3. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. Might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You, I don't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You, I don't know by now how much I love you. The road may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You, I don't know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You, I don't know by now how much I love you. The road may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Roel. Remember, age is just a number. But in your case, it's a really big number. To our beloved uncle, who's aging like a fine wine, only getting better with time. Happy 50th birthday.
Ragsak nga panagkasangay mo bayaw. Sa pela ko mata nasalun at kinakaradkad kalat dita. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Uncle Roel. Sending your warm wish on your birthday. May this year be filled with amazing experience and endless blessing. And more blessed to come.
Birthday Nong, 50 years old. I wish that you have many more birthday to come. God bless you.
Hello, Bayaw. Roel, happy birthday, happy birthday. 50th birthday gaya men. Enjoy your day. Kanapay ko nga kinaado nga birthday ni Apple Juice. Sige, ingat.
Happy 50th birthday, Bayaw.
more blessing to come. And God bless.
Bayaw, happy birthday.
Happy golden years. Sa pala kumata nakaradkad kalatangag na nayon. Happy birthday. Enjoy, enjoy.
Ingat lagi, bayaw.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
God bless always. Okay.
Naragsak nga panagkasangay mo, bayaw. Sa pala kumata, tinamarsway parabor na ken ka amin nga arapap mo. Aganad kang agnanayon. Dimbaybayan ti salunat mo, ulitek, naragsak ken napusaksak nga panagkasangay mo. Kumusta kay amin ditan, bayaw?
Hello, Ading Ruel. Happy birthday. Welcome to the 50s. Enjoy life. Enjoy to the fullest. Kararag ko kin apo nga sapay la kuma. Ti agnanayon nga salon at mo. Agraman ti pamilyam. Ken sapay la kuma ta. Tarabayan na kani apo ti inaldaw-aldaw nga aktibidades mo. Agraman ti pamilyam. Again, happy birthday. Ingat kayo amin dita. Bye!
Happy birthday, Lolo Roel.
Happy Salapi, Uncle Roel! Cheers!
Happy birthday, Ruel. More birthdays to come and God bless you.
Hi, bayaw. Happy 50th birthday. Happy golden boy. Sa pala kumata tarabay na ka ni Apo nga agnanayon, bayaw. Cheers! Kampay!
All the way from Mabry Crescent, Roel, you're 1 year wiser, healthier, and wealthier. Happy 50th birthday. 50 ka magaya man. Ay ka, agkabas sa magayam. Enjoy!
Happy birthday. Sana masayang araw mo. Bossing! Boss! Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? I love you!
Hello, Uncle. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Wish you all the best. God bless. Happy birthday.
Wishing you a joyous birthday filled with love.
Joy, kindness, and countless blessings. A wonderful birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Lolo Roel!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Golden birthday! Ore akong saktoy. Sana i-celebrate na ka.
Tagay mo.
I wish you all the best.
Tagay mo. Noel. Baka naman. Happy birthday.
Para sa'yo.
Tagay ko. Para kanya.
Para sa'yo.
Tagdagay na pala eh. Happy birthday! May katuyin! Eh, naging mas pulutan mili, dinardara. Happy birthday!
Kumusta bro? Happy golden birthday. Apay kumata kanayan ka na salunat. Iwasan ti sigarilyo, iwasan ti arak, kanayan nga healthy ti katawan. At mag-iingat lagi ti trabaho, lalo na ti pagmamaneho nga inaldaw. At good luck, maging successful ti biyag. At more blessings. Kamok nga nasimpit ka nga agitid ti tulong. Kinhang ka nga nadamot kadagiti kakabsat ta. Apay kumata dupay ti matanggap mo nga blessings. Adu mo ti may share mo pay kadagiti kakabsat ta. And good luck. Happy birthday. Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ruel. Happy golden birthday. More healthy years to celebrate. God bless you.
Hello Uncle, happy 50th birthday po. I wish you the very best and enjoy your day po. More birthdays to come, Uncle.
Good morning Hawaii. Happy 50th birthday bayaw. Nimbag nga pinagkasangay mo itang agaw. Sa pala kumata nasalungat ka nga agnanayon. I love you bayaw.
Ay, Adeng. Happy birthday. Birthday mong gayam tata. Nangay ti handam. Happy birthday. Nusi kami dito, nasalon at mal. Handa kami pagdanagan dito. Si kayo, ganan at kailat tata. Tapno tikasta. Madamon tayo ti naka-ado nga birthday tayo. Oh, dapat ang saya-saya tayo latangan kanayon. Pakawon tayo problema, or the problema. At tayo na nga panunutan. Tapno tikasta. Target latta ti kapanunutan tayo. Awan ti problema nga kunada. Tapno ti kasta at atidog ti panahon tayo. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Roel! Wish you good health always and many more birthdays to celebrate. Alright? Okay. Cheers! Tim Horton! Kape lang. It's early in the morning. Alright. Happy birthday, Tito!
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy Wen. Birthday, Daddy Wen. Happy birthday, Daddy Wen. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy Wen.
Happy birthday. Hello, happy birthday, Ruel. Wish ko si Joseph na nain ko nga karadkad ken pigsa ti bagay para iti trabaho ken ginanglaw. Okay. More and more birthday to come. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy Wen.
Ano pa?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Ruel. Happy birthday, golden birthday, Ruel. Sapay kumakin ni Apo, kalati nakaragkat, nagdanayon. God bless you, bunso. Love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Uncle Ruel. Thank you, taking na singpit mo. Enjoy mo lang iti golden birthday mo, Uncle Ruel. Stay safe and stay healthy. God bless. Ito nung makaawid kan to, kasi ito man titagay ta. Pundador super special. Ay mas atoy. Once again, happy 50th birthday, Uncle Ruel.
O, tingnan mo.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo Ruel! Tingnan. Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Lolo! Happy 50th birthday, Lolo Ruel! Happy niyo,
Happy 50th birthday, Uncle Ruel. More birthdays to come. Mag-ingat ka po palagi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lolo Will. Happy birthday, Lolo Will. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lolo Will. God bless you.
Hello, Uncle. Happy 50th birthday. More years to celebrate. Enjoy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kaya ulitin, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, are you 1? Are you 20? Are you 30? Are you 40? Are you 50?
42, 43, 44,
45, 46, 47, Artakam.
48, 49,
50. Okay.